Hello. Welcome back. We hope you are all doing great. In this video, we will explain and share the basic Japanese phrases you can memorize as beginner Japanese learners. How is your progress in remembering the Japanese hiragana and katakana alphabet? We'll love to hear from you, please comment below. So, back to the topic, this basic phrase or word is usually used in daily Japanese conversation. We suggest you remember it little by little, while understanding the meaning and in what kind of situation it's used. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you found this video helpful. Without further ado, let's begin.
Ohayou Gozaimasu.
You may often hear this term in anime, movies, or Japanese news. This is a formal way to greet someone in the morning. We can use it with everyone we meet, even if it is a stranger.
Ohayou Gozaimasu.
In the workplace, even if the time is at 8 p.m., which is not in the morning, we also use this phrase to greet our superiors or coworkers.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
This phrase can be used to greet someone in the daytime. It means, good afternoon. In the present day, this phrase is also used to say, hello.
Konbanwa. Konbanwa.
Similar to the two phrases before, this one we use to greet someone in the evening or around dinner time.
Arigatou Gozaimasu. Arigatou Gozaimasu.
Maybe you are familiar with this phrase. Yes. It means, thank you. This phrase is used to express both gratitude and thanks.
Douitashimashite. Douitashimashite.
This phrase is used to reply to someone who said Arigatou Gozaimasu to us. It can be translated to you're welcome, don't mention it, not at all, or my pleasure.
Sumimasen. Sumimasen.
We can use this phrase to express both apology and thanks. This one is a convenient word to use in Japan. We can use this word when we call a stranger or an unfamiliar person. This word means excuse me, pardon me, I'm sorry, and thank you.
Hai. Hai.
This is used to give an affirmative response in the conversation.
Ie. Ie.
On the other hand, this one is used to give deny or negate response in the conversation.
Moshimoshi. Moshimoshi.
This phrase is mainly used to say hello on the phone, Skype, Line, Zoom, or something like that. But we can also use this when calling out to someone.
Sayounara. Sayounara.
Means farewell, goodbye. This one is used if we're not planning to see them again in a short time. This word has a strong finality nuance. Instead of using this word, you can use the next four words to say, see you.
Mata ne. Mata ne. Ja. Ja. Ja, mata. Ja, mata. じゃあね。じゃあね。ごめんなさい。ごめんなさい。
This one also can be translated to excuse me. But, it's more like, I'm truly sorry from the bottom of my heart.
おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。
We use this term to say goodnight to someone we're close to, and we can shorten it to oyasumi or translate it to nighty night.
はじめまして。はじめまして。
This is used when we meet someone for the first time. It's usually followed by saying our name and closed with Yoroshiku Onegaishimasu.
よろしくお願いします。よろしくお願いします。
It can also be translated as, I'm in your debt. This phrase expresses thanks to someone we're counting on or indebted to. And this phrase is used to close the sentence when introducing ourselves to the people we meet for the first time.
お元気ですか？お元気ですか？
Use these terms to greet someone we know to ask how are they doing.
お久しぶりです。お久しぶりです。
We can use this to greet someone we haven't seen for a while, like 2 or 3 weeks. This can also mean, it's been a while. Usually, we follow up this term by asking how they're doing. So we often used the phrase, Ohisashiburi Desu, Ogenki Desuka? Means, it's been a while, how are you?
いただきます。いただきます。
This means, thank you for the meal just served. We say this before we eat the meal, and the polite way to say we're going to begin enjoying our food.
ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。
After we ate the food, we use this term to express our gratitude. It means, thank you for the meal, that was delicious food. There are a lot of Japanese phrases out there, but this is for today. Before we move to Japanese grammar, in the next upcoming video, we will have more words to remember. That's it for today. See you next time.